Paws and Pallets coming across America. We're in the Borders and Customs area of a company just off the coast of in California, in Long Beach, and we got to get checked in here and get this freight moved to Chaparral, New Mexico. Sometimes it's like this though, you got to wait around. Paws and Pallets across America this morning. We're delivering out to White Sands, New Mexico, the missile test range, and we're going down about a 7-mile gravel road. We're hoping we're not being targeted at the moment. That's not a joke. So right now we're going to deliver some equipment. All I can say is it's for a joint exercise with the British and U.S. forces out here, and it's we picked it up from a secure area outside of Long Beach in the customs area. It got cleared, and then we loaded it right up and brought it straight out to New Mexico. And that's about all I can say about it. If I can video some a little further up, I can't turn around the camera right now. Just a moment. I'm getting an intel update from my navigator. Oh, last night on the way in, we got here a little early, so we're coming up and we just enter into, I may have already said what this was, but I won't say the exact installation anyway. As we came onto the base, out in front of us leaped an oryx that was every bit of 6 feet tall. The rack on this thing, which is two-pointed antlers, had to have been 4 feet long. Oh. Had to be 4 feet long. And then he turned around and backed up like he was going to ram the van, and he put his head down like this, like that, and we had to take off. I mean, those horns would have went right through the van, could have punctured a lung or something. It was amazing. We didn't get a picture of it. It all happened so fast, and he went into the brush. We didn't even know there were African oryxes out here in the wild in New Mexico, but they reintroduced them several years ago, and they are here. It's real. We'll put up a picture with the video, not of the one we saw, but one very similar to it. Okay, well, I gotta get back on task. Okay, see you. All right, we're back with you. I was able to take one picture outside of in a short video, outside of the training facility. Better not mention where it is. However, I can tell you what it was now, and that is a fairly secret drone, weaponized drone training facility, and it was impressive. And the young people running it and that were pilots there were equally as impressive, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought they were. They were getting prepared for a joint exercise with one of our allies. And they also fly a similar type of weaponized / surveillance drone, and we actually got to see some. Of course, obviously couldn't take pictures, but it was impressive. One of the more interesting transports that we've had for sure.